both of these two gentlemen very eloquently stated as to why we're here today and the rationale for signing this MOU. Suffice to say, the fact that we have the Pacific Island countries coming together, it will also help better utilize these funds in a more efficient and effective manner. Because if there is a coordinated regional approach, and in particular aid for trade, then we'll be able to tailor the specific aid in a targeted manner for the individual countries, and indeed sometimes we'll be able to share those resources. And so I think it not just only brings about efficiency and effective use of the funds, but also it creates, it expedites some of the processes in order for the different individual countries, notwithstanding the fact we do have some of our specific requirements and needs, and indeed challenges. There are a lot of commonalities in which we can be able to, build upon and indeed utilize those funds for. We do look forward to negotiations on a fair term and basis under the EPA, but also at the same time it does bring together the Pacific community closer and a lot more together in terms of dealing with some of our economic challenges and issues. Thank you once again to the forum. And I think always in most of these types of functions and signing ceremonies, we tend to forget the technical people behind the scenes, and they don't really don't get mentioned. And the people signing get the limelight. But I'd like to thank the technical team from the forum, and also the PS and his team, and of course the other officials from the other countries who brought us to where we are today. So Vinaka? See the problem here is the. Thank you very much.